better in here than it does out there.
This is something. What do you call this, Cody?
I call this the introducer. It's so toxic, I can't even breathe. So what we're gonna do with it is we're gonna introduce all the 6th graders with it. And I'm telling you now, it smells pretty much like somebody crapped in a bucket. It's got chili, mayonnaise, freaking cookies, crackers,
Toothpaste.
hot dogs, toothpaste, shaving cream,
Chocolate.
all mixed together with some chocolate.
I put a
And it's been
Snick
sitting here for about 2 days now.
donut.
And we're about to put donuts in it.
Let's watch George work.
My eyes hurt.
George doesn't work.
He sits there.
He sleeps. I don't want to eat
guy
one.
talking
What?
from the
I
bathroom.
don't want to eat one.
Me too. See, everybody remembers when I was introduced with George and Chaz. This is about 10 times as bad, being that it sat here for 2 days.
Straight.
And there's a secret ingredient in it we can't tell you. That's all we have.
Question mark.
Honestly, I got used to the smell. You want this last donut?
Yeah. Are you still recording? Okay.
Can I have half of it?
No.
A quarter?
No.
So you eat some of it,
No.
please.
No.
Be a crumb. Still be a crumb, man.
That was a gnome.